Oh, it's sleeping. Wow. Hello. Mummy, can you see it? Look at you two sleeping. You relaxing? Well, I can see something in the garden. You haven't even spotted it yet. Mouse doesn't care. Do you, Moo? You don't care if something's in the garden. As long as it's not touching your stuff. Do you care, Mummy? No. Utter disdain. Look at the bottom of the garden. There's a fox sleeping. Doesn't care at all. You want to see what I'm looking at? Come here then. I'll pick you up. Look, Mummy, look down the garden. Down the garden. You can't see it, can you? You're not even looking. Mummy! You silly fool. It's right down there. I'm in the office now, you can see it so much better. Look at the sleepy fox. So cute. Just found the one little sun trap. Remember, you're so nosy. You're still on my seat. Look at the little fox. Oh, is it going home? Bye, Foxy. Oh, it's just sitting there now. Oh, I hope you can see it properly on the Zoom. It's just sitting. Oh, enjoying some sunshine. While you lie in my chair. Yeah? Is what you're doing? You're staying in my chair? Mummy, I've got to work. You should be on guard duty watching the fox. You don't even know what a fox is, do you?